Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is again another tutorial for Elise programming, which is for gaming purpose. In this current tutorial, I will explain about adding animation to any object. Okay, so you create a game, so you add a lot of characters, but then how those characters can make a movement or how those will work. Okay, so we'll see that in this video. Okay. So first of all, this is a blank surface and I'm going to add an object. So you can take anything as per your choice. So for the demo purpose, I'm going to take this ostrich. Okay, so let's take this one ostrich. So if you take this, so it is you can see that it's there on the screen, right? You can as per your choice, as per you can resize, you can move. Let's just make it a bit smaller. Okay, so it looks good, and then okay, so we start the animation. So if you run this, there is no animation. It won't do anything. It's just sitting on the floor, the thing doing. Okay, so let's start the process. Okay, so you have to click on edit code, and this is the first method which will be executed when you do that. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to when you animate an object, what basically happens is that its joints, we work on their joints, their legs, their neck, their head. So basically we move their joints and it appears that it is actually a live object. Okay, so when you click on this ostrich, you have a lot of options, like you have its legs, you have its head, you have all the joints present here. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take the left hip. Okay, and then I just add code of the turn for this. So let's say forward. Okay, so if I just do this and forward movement, and then at the next time I'm just gonna copy this and copy it. Is when you copy it, is copied here, and then you can paste it like that, drag and drop, and then backward. So if I just do this much, its left hip, which is from here, should be animated. Okay, so if you run this much, let's see what is happening. See, its left hip is getting moved by some certain amount to backward and then forward. So it is happening only once. It's not happening repeatedly. Okay, so now what you can do, you can put it into a while loop, and then you can and just make it a bit bigger movement. Okay, so or yeah, so as per your choice you can do that, and let's just put into a while loop so that it is keep on moving its legs, left leg. Okay, okay, and then so if I do that, similarly I have to do for other legs also. See, now it is only, it's rotating its left leg, but then I have to adjust the like whatever amount you are moving it forward, you have to move it backward also. Okay, so just put it this much, that is fine. Next, what you have to do is you have to also do right hip movement, right? So just take the right hip. Okay, so from here take the right hip and then turn backward. So it should be like to balance the movement. So we'll take both the legs and then just copy this and paste it here. So now what is happening, when I move this right hip backward, I also have to move it forward, so that it is looks like a movement. Okay, so I just run this. Okay, so if you run this, what is happening? See, it is doing again and again, and then it is not going to this position. So just take this also inside the while loop, because it is keep on doing only one movement. Okay, so now do that. See that? Okay, so this is how it is moving. Now let's make some let's make it look a bit better. So what is happening when we move the left hip? forward, I have to move the right hip backward so that it should look like a balanced movement. Okay, so you have to imagine how an ostrich will move. Okay, so I just clubbed the left hip and right hip movement using the do together, and then again I undo that so that to make it look like an animation. See, now it is looking like it is walking. Okay, it is walking, but then it is not moving forward. It looks like it is just hanging somewhere. So while doing that, you also have to make a move forward movement. Okay, so just take the ostrich and move. Let's take a movement, and then forward by some amount, let's say 1 unit. Also you can put it into next segment, so like this. So now if you run this, what is happening? See, it is moving like this. Okay, now it is coming towards me. Okay, so and now since the camera is not following this, so it is looking like it is going away out of the screen. Okay, you can also set it to just click on setups scene, and then click on the camera and set the vehicle to ostrich. Okay, so now see what is happening. See, now it is moving, looks like a movement. Okay, so only now the hip is moving. If you make it look like an actual movement, you should also need to you also need to move the knees. Okay, so that is also required. And also maybe when the ostrich is running, its head is also moving, left and right like that. You just have to imagine how an ostrich will move. Okay, according to that you can create the movement. Okay, so yeah, like that. So let me just add some more movement to this. For example, let's take the elbow. Okay, and then we can make it look better. Okay, so let's take the stretch left knee. Okay, so you have to take the left knee and turn. Okay, so let's try to do that. Let me some amount by 1.25, and then copy this and just do a similar movement to undo it so that it will be adjusted, because if you're moving it forward, if you don't undo it, it'll keep on moving forward, and then the joint will not look good. Okay, so let me try to do that how it looks like now. See, now that knee elbow, that knee is also turning backward and coming forward. Okay, so this is how it is happening. Okay. So accordingly you have to adjust the movement. Okay, so I'll just remove this now just for the demo purpose. And also you can add like, so there are a lot of joints that it has. It has its neck. It has its neck that you can take, turn okay, left like this. Okay, so just take this, maybe I can show you. Okay, so left, right, so maybe when it is running, so it is turning its neck also. I'm just thinking like that. Maybe you can think of something which is see, it looks like that. It is yeah, it's not looking good, but that is one of the examples you can use in your animation. So see, there are all the joints are present here. See, left eye, you can make animation into the eye, tail, live, wrist. Okay, everything is there, mouth. Okay, everything is there. Okay, so this is how you can run use animation in your games. Okay, so yeah, so this is just a basic example, guys, and you can use it for your gaming purpose. And thanks for watching. Thank you.